Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I will introduce a NFT marketplace. This a complete full stack app, have backend and front end, and let me show you how this NFT marketplace work. First, user have to create a account and log in. Here is the main page, a home page, and we can sign up and we can also log in. So here is the user dashboard where users can copy the referral code, also share link, and here is the plans where users can invest USDT and earn daily base reward. And here is the team section. Here is the deposit section. Users can deposits, and here is the deposit model, and user will send the wallet address, and the deposit will be confirmed. Also users can hear the history like a pending or approved. Here is the withdraw section. Here is the section where users can buy NFT and hold the NFT on daily based reward. And let me know when users buy and sell NFT have a small amount of fee, so these fee will be give to the users who will earn. And here is the complete program, like how this workflow or this marketplace works. And this also app have also admin dashboard. Let me show you. So here is the admin dashboard where admin can see the details of the users and the transactions and the referral managements. So anyone interested to buy this app marketplace, so they can visit on our website and our shop. So here we list, and it's for $499. And also you can read the details here, what kinds of features, and the full stack project and the technology stack here.